Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the Shadow Fit to Cash channel again. I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to use Telegram and gain more than $1,000 with Hamster Kombat Bot mining on your mobile phone. Have not got Notcoin last time? Now it is a time to be blessed by using Telegram bot for mining called Hamster Kombat. Ooh, let's dive in. First, make sure you have a Telegram application in your smartphone. If not, let me show you how to open Telegram app. Follow these simple steps to get started. 1. Download the app. Open the App Store iPhone or Google Play Store Android on your smartphone. Search for Telegram and tap on the official Telegram app. Tap Install Android or Get iPhone to download the app. 2. Open the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open directly from the store. Alternatively, find the Telegram icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to open. 3. Set up your account. Enter your phone number when prompted and tap Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app. Fill in your name and add a profile picture optional. 4. Start messaging. Explore Telegram's features by starting a new chat, joining groups, or following channels. Use the search bar to find friends or groups. Enjoy staying connected with Telegram's secure and fast messaging service. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or check out our next videos. Wow, woo, led us to turn into about to our mining bot. As I have told you, if you have downloaded Telegram app, when you open the app, you'll see the home screen with various options. To start mining, tap on the Telegram icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, open Telegram and search for the Hamster Kombat Bot. You can easily find it by typing Hamster Kombat Bot in the search bar. Once you've found the bot, click on it to start mining. The bot will guide you through the process and provide you with all the necessary information to get started. Now, it's time to start mining. Follow the instructions provided by the bot and watch as your earnings grow. Remember to check in regularly to collect your rewards and keep mining for more Hamster Kombat tokens. And that's it. You're now ready to mine Hamster Kombat on Telegram. Using your smartphone to claim your tokens, use multiple clicks on Cycle, which contain an animal in center of the screen. Here, you can see your earn per tap and total balance and transaction history. Go down on your screen. They are different icons, almost 5. At the beginning of last bottom, click it and select your exchange used. That exchange will mine for you when you are out of phone use within 3 hours at least. Go to down bottom and you see the name of exchange you have selected, mine, friends, earn, and airdrop icons. When you want to increase your token, go to click on mine icon and buy the cards. You have click on boost icon also for buying energy and increasing your multiple tape. Click on earn icon for doing the different tasks and getting daily reward. Boom, you've successfully set up Hamster Kombat Bot mining on your mobile phone and claimed your tokens. It's that easy. Don't forget to check back regularly to monitor your bots and maximize your earnings. Because it will be on market on July, the pre-market is there already. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for Hamster Kombat Bot mining. Happy mining, and see you in the next video.